Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel dry method. Place 1 to 2 cups sugar in a heavy pan and heat over medium, allowing sugar to melt and darken evenly. Watch for color changes from pale to deep amber and move the pan as needed to redistribute melted sugar. Once amber, remove from heat and carefully add butter or cream to stop cooking and create a glossy caramel sauce. When melting sugar dry, focus on color and aroma to know when it's ready. Keep heat at medium or slightly below so sugar darkens over several minutes, not seconds. Rotate the pan and tip it to help melted sugar flow toward unmelted crystals. When a deep amber tone appears and a nutty scent rises, remove from heat and proceed with butter or cream, stirring carefully to emulsify the sauce. Caramel is extremely hot and can burn instantly, so protect hands and use long-handled tools. When adding butter and cream, do so gradually and stir to incorporate while keeping distance from steam. If the mixture seizes, return to low heat and stir gently until smooth. Finish with a pinch of salt or a splash of vanilla to brighten flavor, and let caramel rest before using or storing in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.